तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसा लगा आप सबको अपना खुद का काम? Okay, so our first session for the evening is Go SSD with WD. And to begin with the session, may I request Mr. Vivek Saxena from Western Digital to come on the stage and do the needful.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Have you heard about Western Digital before? You can say yes or no, that's fine. Yes. Okay, so let me tell you something about the Western Digital. Okay, so presently my slides are not here. From the AV team, can you please put my slides? Start from slide number 2. So hello guys, myself Vivek Saxena. I take care of channel marketing in Western Digital for the full Pan-India region. Okay, and about the Western Digital, if you talk about, we are having, we make, apart from SSD, you know that I'm going to talk about the SSD. We make hard drives, SSD, all the storage solutions which is required for the industry, for the individuals. So overall catering the storage needs of everyone. Okay. Okay, so leave the slides. I think I can talk without the slides too. Okay, so we are the company who heavily invest in the technology into the storage platform. We have, you can say, one of the highest patents in the storage industry, roughly around 13,500. And we are the leading manufacturer of storage solutions for overall clients, which includes all the clients, include the industries, includes the individuals. Can you move to the next slide? Okay, also move towards the next slide. Move to next slide. Okay, so here you can see when I'm going to talk about HDD, that is hard disk drive, SSD, NAND embedded. So you can see like in every storage solutions we are there. When we talk about, so we have developed few of technology by our own, and there are few technology that we have acquired few of the companies like SanDisk. I think most of you know about the SanDisk, right? So last year, Western Digital has acquired SanDisk to gain the flash technology from them. Okay, so over and over, we have moved towards the integration of various technology so that we can cater to the demand of the individuals and the industries. To the next slide. Okay, so here you can see there are few technologies that we have breakthrough. Okay, one is the MAMR technology, 3D NAND technology. Okay, so overall objective of showing this slide is like WD invest in technologies so that we can provide you the better technology product which can pace up the demand. So when I'm going to talk about the demand, you can see there are the drives which were coming from 1 TB, it has gone to 4 TB, okay, to 6 TB. Right now, what we are giving to the enterprise side is 14 TB capacity. Okay, so in a same form factor. Okay, so for that, heavy investment is required in the storage space. Okay, so we are investing in that so that we can cater to the demands of and the needs of the individuals. To the next slide. Okay, here you can see the number of patents. So maximum you can see of Google, Apple, okay, so they are the leading technology companies. And after that, you can find Western Digital. So we have also got number of patents, and which can help us to be very valuable into the industry. Next slide. Next slide. Okay, so here I'm going to talk about this SSD, which is the latest technology that we have got, which is a flash technology, the same which is there inside your mobile phones, okay, inside the pen drive, and also right now, also in your laptops or the desktop, okay. So here I'm going to talk about the difference between the hard disk drive and the SSD, solid state drive. So in a hard disk drive, you know that there is a platter and there is a reader, okay? The platter is moving and the reader is reading to help you to read and write the data. In SSD, there is nothing which is revolving around, okay? So it's based on totally different technology. It's not that HDD is going to end and SSD is going to take over of that. Both are beneficial to you. It's all up to your need. Okay, and HDD, like whenever you want to go for a higher capacities, okay, if you have a lot of content, very lot of content, and if you want to store or archive your data, definitely go for the hard disk drive, okay. But if you need a fast speed of fast access of data, okay, then definitely go for SSD. Even for a laptop, if you are using the SSD technology, your laptop is going to boot in 10, 15 seconds. My laptop does in 10 seconds, okay? But for you remember the old hard disk drive, okay? It's still there, but it's going to take something more than a minute time to at least boot your system. Same way it takes time to restore or fetch the data which you are creating. Move towards the next slide. Okay, so here I'm going to talk about two SSDs, okay? After that, I will also talk about other SSDs. This is the two SSDs are green SSD and blue SSD. Can you move towards the next slide? So here, in green SSD, it is basically meant for the computing, and whenever you are an entry-level user, okay, SSD is pretty costly also as compared to normal hard disk drive. So when if you don't want to spend much, but you want to enhance your PC performance or the laptop performance, definitely go for green SSD, okay? And can you move towards the next slide, dear? Yeah. So SSD also consumes less power, okay? And overall, it is meant for increase your computing speed. So move towards next slide, AV team. And here is SSD Blue, okay? This is based on the SATA platform. This is meant for basically the performers, okay? Or you guys, those who are doing a lot of creative things, creating a lot of content, you need speed. So we recommend such kind of drive, okay? Which is having a 3 years warranty. It also having a few certification like FitLab. So it is basically compatible with the readily available laptops or the desktop configuration based on the motherboard models, okay? And can you move towards next slide? Okay, so this is the WD dashboard. It basically help you to know the health status of your SSD. And it's a free downloadable downloadable software, okay, which based on the few smart attributes what we talk about, status, performance, and okay, so it helps user to track this model and the firmware upgradation. Okay, so there are a lot of updates which are coming into the technology as this is a new technology. Okay, so it can help you to upgrade the upcoming firmware which are available into the market or what WD has developed.